Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. You've been asking for it, so here it is. S550 Mustang with a Whipple supercharger. You've been watching our GT350 videos, have been running the Whipples. Here's your GT. This is actually the new Gen 3 Whipple. It's their Stage 2 kit, so you get the 72-pound fuel injectors, 132mm throttle body. I made some pulls. I'm gonna make one for you, and we'll talk about it. I don't think that's bad. Couple things to note. So the car made 680 rear-wheel horse and about 540 torque. Now, this is on our Dyno jet, and we're rating this an SAE. It's about 85 degrees today. Humidity is about 75%. I did some comparison looking at Whipple's website because they have graphs on their site as well. And they were about 68 degrees outside, about 32 humidity, and it was making just a little over 700. But they rate it standard, remember? Standard's more, we're rating it SAE. So I think that's a killer package. This is a kit as they ship it. It does have a set of Cook's headers and some cooling mods. So it does have a larger radiator and a rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as some cool suspension upgrades, half shafts, things like that. So when this client goes out and rips on the street, we don't have to worry about any breakage. If you have questions about this kit, please leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Or give us a call, 574-594-9559. You can even email quote@brenspeed.com if you're curious about how much something like this is installed on your Mustang. And don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer like always, and that's how you're gonna stay up to date. Hit the subscribe. Thanks.